Hello everyone, this is Lilian from Rainpack. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand for a crowd? When it comes to package, the surface effect plays a crucial role in capturing the attention of customers. With paper boxes, you have limitless options to enhance the visual appeal of your products. You can choose from various coating options like Sport UV, foil stamping, embossing, holographic, metallized, or even a soft touch finish to create a unique and memorable embossing experience. If you are looking to elevate your product packaging with stunning surface effects, please visit our website or contact us directly. Right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.